Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be explaining to you guys some tips and tricks on how you can level Alteration very quickly in Skyrim. So let's get right into it. And of course the way you level up Alteration is either by using Alteration spells or using a trainer. Trainers are a good and fast way to do this, to level up. However, you will need to level up your character for each 5 levels of Alteration you get from a trainer, and of course it is quite gold intensive, so it might not be the most efficient way. The most efficient way I know of, and this is a bit of an exploit and a bit of a cheat, however it is the fastest way, is you can use the telekinesis spell on any object that you find, and make sure that you're holding it with the telekinesis spell, and when you do, just fast travel as far as you can on the map. And once you fast travel and arrive, your Alteration skill will have increased by a lot. I think upwards of about 40 levels per repetition, so that is the fastest way if you're using an exploit. However, another fast way to level up Alteration is to be in combat. And every time you enter combat, if you cast any of the flesh spells, such as either Stone Flesh, Ebony Flesh, Iron Flesh, and so on and so forth, which pretty much just increases your defense and your, I don't think armor level, but it just mitigates damage. Whenever you use that, when you enter combat, that will be quite an efficient way to do so. Another way you can also use, even though it is a bit slower, however it is very funny, you can just find any guard or any person in Skyrim and repeatedly cast paralysis on them, and that will actually level up your skills fast. Another way also is to go near the inn in Whiterun and just repeatedly cast Detect Life, and that will also level you up quite fast. However, the telekinesis spell I think is the best method. And yeah, that has been it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another tutorial.